I posted some videos covering the rebuilding of a hydraulic unit on my little John Deere 430 standard tractor. Today I thought I'd take you guys up to see the main chunk of the tractor, all the other parts that need to be fixed up and restored. This tractor, when I bought it, it did run, it did drive, but it's a little rough. And over the years, some things have been sort of cannibalized off of it. But the goal was always to fix it up and restore it one day, and hopefully that day and time is now. What I want to do today is try and get the main chunk of this tractor out of the barn. It's been kind of tucked in the corner up here and sort of neglected. A couple things to note. This tractor is equipped with power steering. Not sure how good the glare lets you see, but power steering pump, the power steering pedestal, kind of unique specific parts, flow divider, kind of a rare option on the two-cylinder tractors. Back in the late 50s, early 60s, options were just that. They were more options. They weren't really stuff that people wanted to spend a lot of extra money on, so most of the time you didn't have the things like Orchard exhaust manifolds. This tractor is also equipped with live PTO. It has a remote hydraulic unit, spin out rear rims, which, there's currently nothing on the back, but we'll show you those at a future date, I hope. But all in all, it'll just be a nice little project today, getting this thing pulled out. As you can see, there's a little bit of stuff in the way to daylight, but we'll make it happen. I'll try and bring you along for the process as best as I'm able. First time out and seeing the light of day in many years. First impressions are that it's not too bad, if you ask me. Everything's fairly solid. Nice layer of oil to keep everything from rusting. It's going to take a little time, energy, maybe a little money. We'll make her new again. But it's a good foundation. I'm excited to tear in and see what we've got waiting for us. I do keep calling this a 1959 tractor. Looking at the serial number, it's a later serial number. It might actually be a 1960. I'll look and see what the serial breaks are and correct myself if need be. But we'll see what we get once we start popping things off and digging in. Hope you follow the journey and enjoy the ride.